Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, here we are on a short trip, Port de Grave, Newfoundland, where they have the Festival of Lights on the boats. If you have a look around, you'll see some interesting lights on some of these nice fine boats.
Mm-hmm.
Our photographer Michael McMenemy will be taking the shots today. Hey, that fixed up good, man. Looks like daylight there.
Yeah.
The Eastern Princess. Watch the puddle of water.
Even picks up the reflection pretty good.
Yeah, look, that looks neat. The reflector, yeah, good shot. Even got music.
Cool. Ah, I figured out to zoom.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. You get that on Zoom?
Now I do.
Oh. Here. Why I tell you, there's some fine boats here in Port de Grave. If you just have a look around, look over to the left. Now look over to the right. Now look at the center. Now look down, look up. Hold on, you're going too slow. I said speed it up. Come on, what's wrong with you? Anyway, I hope you like this thing. We're having a good time here in Port de Grave. We just had stop laughing, you got to work the camera. Take a picture of my Jolly Roger.
Pay no attention to that idiot behind you in front of the camera.
I'm going to carry that, Mike?
No, sure.
Aha, $20.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
No, I don't. We should walk up to the hill and take a look down.
Mm-hmm.
Hey?
Yeah. Like, what the hell?
Good shot from here, Mike. Oh yeah. Hey, you doing there, Mike?
Whoever that guy was.
We'll splash step. Step there. Hey, Mike, I want to get you in the picture.
Hang on. Look at that.
Oh yeah, neat. Oh, you got that all the way over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the tree going down there.
Oh yeah. Where are you to? Oh, there you are.